Okay, I'm looping it, but the buzzer of the inverter is on. I'll show you the circuit. It's a basic rotoverter. Run cap is 7 UF. I have the run cap in series from the L3 line to this transformer down here, regular old Radio Shack. And I'm kicking the voltage down. And one thing interesting is I put a 5 UF cap in series from the run cap to one of these feed lines here. Okay? And that made the amperage feeding the battery go up from like 90 milliamps to 170 milliamps. So this really helped, having a cap in series between one of the sides of the run cap and to here. Parallel didn't do much, but a series cap there, and a 5 was the best. I did some experiments. Now, what I got is I take so I'm charging the battery with this transformer, and it shows about 18 volts on it. And then I'm feeding from the battery, I'm feeding a DC to DC boost converter, and I just boost it up to about 15.7 volts. And it's but it's only after you, but then I feed the inverter with it. I'm feeding the inverter here and here, red and black, positive, negative output on the boost converter. And so I boost up the voltage that's feeding here. And I think this works as an isolation thing too. So you hear the buzzer going because it's low voltage, but it is sustaining itself. But you know, I'm probably draining the battery more than I'm charging it. But it is leveled out right there at 10.2. It hasn't turned off, it just keeps having that annoying buzzer. So I could show a lot more things, but having it in series is better than parallel for what I'm doing now. And here's the draw into the motor. It says 150 milliamps and 120 volts from the inverter. And I'm measuring the input to the battery, but it's showing nothing right now. I don't know. Maybe I blew a fuse. Anyways, whatever. I could say I'm looping, but it's looping with an inverter warning buzzer on. It has stabilized at 10 volts, 10.2. I tried to use the DC to DC boost converter with a capacitor instead of a battery, and I just couldn't get it to work. But I hooked it up to the battery, and now it works. Maybe if I had a really big cap, that would be good. I wonder how long this will run. Okay, well, there's something. You can see I did a lot today. So let me sum it up. Normal rotovertor running off an inverter. The inverter is powered by this battery, and it shows 10.2 volts coming out of this DC to DC boost converter, which is also powered by this battery. So actually, the battery powers the boost converter. The boost converter powers the inverter. And it's at 10.2. The voltage feeding the inverter. Let's see what the voltage is across the battery. I gotta go pretty soon. Oh, it just went out. I hit something. I did something wrong. Okay. 12 volts across the battery. Oh, there's what it was. This came off. Okay, time to call it good. I'll work on this some more. Thanks for watching.